Okay guys, we're going to do our math for the day. So we're going to start with time. I know we've done a little bit of time on our math big sheets. Oh, that reminds me. Don't forget, you need to do your daily edits. Let me grab the math big sheet. Hold on. Okay, so remember when you do your reading, go ahead and do your daily edits. One sentence a day. Make sure you're using your best handwriting and you're putting a capital letter at the beginning because every sentence in the whole wide world begins with a capital letter. And put the correct punctuation at the end. So a period, a question mark, an exclamation point, okay? Now, before you start this clock, go ahead and do this side of this first line of your math big sheet that tells you the week right here, okay? So it says week 29, that's the one we're on. So you'll just do this day right here, okay? I know it's Tuesday, but go ahead and do Monday. You can do 2 days today if you want, or you can wait till Friday and do 2 days, however you want to do it. But do at least one row of your math big sheet, okay? And then you can start on this. So go ahead and pause this video and get that done if you haven't done it already. Now we're going to talk about parts of the clock. I know we've done a little bit with clocks on our math big sheets, but we're going to learn a little bit deeper about clocks, okay? So we're going to talk about the parts of the clock first before we start. Okay, all these red numbers, these big ones that I have right here, these big red numbers, 1 all the way to 12, okay? They are the hour numbers, okay? They're just for the hour. They just go for the hours, okay? The minutes have these little ticks. Let me get close so y'all can see. You see these little dots, the little blue ones? That's for the minutes. Okay, so you'll start here with 0. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So every minute the hand goes one more, 6, and then a minute later it'll go 7, 8, okay? So that's the minutes. Now, the hour hand, these are the two hands on the clock. The hour hand is this red one right here, okay? This red one right here, the short one, is for the hour. So it goes around, it goes slowly. See, every time we get a whole hour, we go around the clock one time with the minute hand. Now we're on 8 o'clock. Now if I go an hour more, all the way around the whole thing, I'm one more hour on 9 o'clock. Okay, so this is the minute hand, this is the hour hand. The short one is the hour. Now the minute hand just goes one at a time like this. 1, then a minute later it goes like that, a minute later it goes like that, okay? It just keeps going around and around till it gets to the next hour. Okay, so that's the hour and the minute hand. Now the face of the clock. The face of the clock is this, like your face is right here. This is the face of the clock, okay, the back of it, the background, that's the face. Okay, now, it does tell you, I want to make sure, we have hour hand, minute hand. Now, my clock doesn't have a second hand, okay? A second hand is a little thin one. It's on your paper. I'll show you because it's on your paper that you're going to do. It's right here, this little thin one right there, and it moves every single second, and a second is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, that's a second. So, the little hand that I don't have on this clock would go every second, it's gonna move, okay? And once it gets around this clock the whole way, then this minute hand moves 1 notch. Okay, then the second hand will go again, do, 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 all the way around. then this will move one more. Okay? So that's how it works. So all you're going to do today is you're going to cut these pieces out. We've got pieces right here. It says minute hand, hour numbers, face, hour hand, second hand, and minute ticks or lines. Okay? So you'll cut these out and you're going to glue them where they go on the parts of the clock. So we talked. This is the face. Let's see what else. We got minute hand. This long one right here is the minute hand. Second hand. The second hand is the real skinny one that goes all the way to the edge. It constantly moves. Always moving. 1, 2. Okay? Hour numbers. The big ones. The big numbers. They're the hour numbers. Okay? Hour hand is the short one right here. It just points to the 2 right now. It's on the 2. And then we have the minute ticks or lines. So the little dots right here. Okay? You can put it on any of those. Just cut it out and glue it on any of them. It doesn't matter, okay? Wherever you want, whichever one you want to glue it on. Okay, so there's that. You're going to do that. And then you're going to get your math notebook. And you're going to glue this in. You're going to cut it out first. And you're going to glue it in. It says, say hi. So I'm going to say hi. Hi. That takes about 1 second to do. So it only takes like 1 second to say hi, okay? Write 3 other things that take about a second to do. So what's some other things that maybe take only 1 second to do? Maybe waving at someone, or I don't know, there's a lot of things. You think about it and write 3 things in your math notebook with this that only take about 1 second to do, okay? Then you'll be done with math for today. Love you guys, and I miss y'all.